So next, maybe we can do next chapter as well. Let's see. I mean, it's hopefully it's not very applicable to all of us. Number 14, smoking. The issue of smoking in Yom Tov has been a topic of discussion among poskim for generations, right? And actually, the way I see it, it's changed drastically in this generation. I would say maybe in some countries it's a little different, but I would say it depends on the place. So we're going to see why. For poskim in generations, though there were many authorities who disallow it, many authorities ruled that smoking on Yom Tov is permitted, and their view was followed by general public. So many poskim said not allowed, and also many great poskim said that it is allowed. So what is the problem? In order to understand the dispute, let us examine the relevant issues. We have previously learned in chapter 1 that any melacha performed for achel nefesh permitted on Yom Tov, and by extension, those that confer any physical pleasure, right, are permitted. So whatever you need for enjoyment of your Yom Tov, whatever you need to eat on Yom Tov, and everything that accompany it, you're allowed to do. And they say if it's the same act, but you need for the Yom Tov needs, for example, since the cooking is allowed, boiling water is allowed, so like extension, it would be the boiling water for the purpose of washing my hands and right, and face, right. So that would be like extension, right, and plus physical pleasure. However, the Torah does limit this dispensation to activities that constitute this a benefit for common to most people. So that's very, very important clause, right? Benefit that common for most people. So there are some like strange people, they enjoy whatever they enjoy. So we don't go by them, we go by what is common for most people, and that's what I said. It depends on the country also. For example, the way I understand in the United States, like most of religious people do not smoke. I mean, they smoke, but many, like at least I have not seen many. Let's put it this way. But in Israel, a lot of people, religious people, cigarettes are much cheaper. So I mean, it's not about money, but many people smoke, young, old, like everybody. No, not everybody, many people smoke. It's very interesting. So for them, it could be more common need among the people than, for example, in the States. Okay.